Well, hello everybody. Good morning. I just want to show you our green stock. It's only been a few days, but look at how these plants are just taking off. So I love the squash blossoms. I absolutely love them. Just love to eat them, love to fry them with some cheese or whatever. They are just taking off like crazy. They are loving this green stock, and so am I. So I'm already planning my second one. Look at this. They're just blossoms everywhere. And look at the tomato plant I thought I was going to lose is just thriving. The parsley the other day I showed you guys that I thought I was going to lose, thriving. So the only thing that I've lost so far is this darn rosemary, and I'm just going to pull this out today and plant something else. So maybe a couple bean seeds. I don't have any green beans yet. But look at this. Peppers. The peppers. Oh my gosh. The peppers are doing so well. Everything is. It's just crazy. Look at my tomatoes in there. 2 big tomatoes. So I'm waiting for this cilantro. I'm not pulling it out yet. I'm hoping that this comes back. So we shall see. This tomato is, look at this. This is my sun gold, and it looks amazing. It's amazing. So easy. And my hatch chili peppers, guys. Look at this. There's 3 of them on here, and I think I saw, yeah, there's another one here. And then there's another one over here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So this hatch chili pepper plant is going to have a bunch of peppers on it. Hopefully we get zucchini. I'm not sure if I'm going to have to hand pollinate or not yet. This one, I put this one in. Something was getting at it already. So I don't think anything is getting at it yet. This one doesn't have anything, but it's got some new little leaves on it. And then the kale is doing excellent. I think I'm going to throw some of these to my chickens. Go and see the short that I just uploaded, and you'll get a surprise. Our chickens surprised us this morning. We found an egg, you guys, an egg. Oh, I just found small peppers. So we got our first egg this morning from one of our chickies, and I'll show you guys. I think I know which one. It's a green egg, so go look at that video. Come here, girls. Come on. Hey, come here. Oh, my goodness. You guys know you're on camera, don't you? So I just threw scratch down here for them. Come here. Come on, show the world. Say hello. So I think it's that one in the middle up in front. Her name is Billy. I'm pretty sure it was her, because she was down by our birds of paradise the other day. And she made a cute little nest, and she was just screaming, but no egg, because I kept going to check. No egg. But go and watch the video, because my husband got home this morning and found one in the weirdest place. Of course, not in the coop. So how do we do that? So if anybody knows how to get them to start laying in the coop, please let me know. So meanwhile, we have our strawberries are thriving as well. I got to plant my artichoke there. And then this had a runner, and I planted it, and it is solidly in there. So I guess I can cut the umbilical cord now. I think it's good. And then one more thing is our little kale over here, and our tomatoes. I'm going to pick some of these. I wish I did not throw away the name, the little tag of this, because these are not sun gold. They're different, and they're much, much sweeter. I'm going to have to go back to the nursery and see. Actually, I think this was the only one that they had, but we'll see. We'll see if I can find out the name of it. But it's not sun gold, because we love the sun gold. We call them Chelsea tomatoes, because my little granddaughter was born and they were blooming, and she was in the NICU for 32 days, and they just kept blooming and blooming and blooming, and all of our sun golds came ripened as soon as she came home. It was the coolest thing. So they're always called Chelsea tomatoes. So those are the sun gold in the green stock, but the girls are calling these Chelsea tomatoes too. So Chelsea has her own tomatoes. Chelsea is now 13. So we've been doing gardening for a long time, and those girls grew up with gardening, know how to can and everything. So very, very proud of them. Yeah, they're all doing really good. Okay, just wanted to show you guys and the chickies, but they're not coming out here. They don't want to put on a show, so I'm gonna go cut some squash blossoms because they look amazing. They taste amazing because I had one the other day. I don't see, this one doesn't have any zucchini on it, but the other ones do. But those flowers have not opened. So far they're all male. Look at this one. I know this one has zucchini on it. Oh, that blossom fell. So here we go. That one's closed, but it will be edible all the same. And there's a couple, there's a little zucchini right there that hasn't opened yet. So far all male, but it's okay. There's a couple little zucchinis on there. We'll see if the flowers open. And I'll be saving the males just in case I need to pollinate. I'll save a couple of them because we have a lot of flowers coming. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you soon. Go watch that egg video. It says our first egg. Yeah, it's just so thrilling. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you. And we're going to be doing some giveaways pretty soon here. And yeah, happy to have you guys along. Our channel is growing because I've been uploading a lot of videos, so I plan to do that. We plan to do a little bit more traveling. I have a trip coming up, and then I have so many videos I have yet to edit of our trips to Mexico earlier this year, or just a couple months ago. Lots and lots of videos, lots and lots of footage. If anybody's interested in going to Cancun or Cabo, let me know and I can get you a great deal. You can go on our member benefits and get guaranteed ocean views. It's amazing, you guys. We've been doing it for over 20 years and love it. Okay. Well, that's it for now. I will see you guys soon.